big floppy ears that flip and flop. He swings his trunk and starts to sway, marching along in a happy parade. Then stomp, stomp, swing your trunk. Elephants dance, oh what fun! Flap your ears and swish your tail. Join the jungle, big and small. He splashes water, splish, splash, sploosh, cooling off in a muddy pool with a trumpet sound. Toot, toot, toot! He calls his friends to play and groove. And stomp, stomp, swing your trunk. Elephants dance, oh what fun! Flap your ears and swish your tail. Join the jungle, big and small. When the sun begins to set, the elephant yawns, it's time for rest. Under the stars so big and bright, he dreams of dancing through the night. Stomp, stomp, but now it's slow. Elephants sleep as the moon glows. Close your eyes, it's time to dream. Good night, my friend, sleep peacefully.